In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a free website using GetResponse. This is a straightforward and cost-effective way to create an online presence, perfect for beginners and small businesses looking to establish their footprint on the web. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the GetResponse dashboard. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure to sign up to access all the features. Once you're on the dashboard, your next step is to locate the Tools option. This is going to be your gateway to all the powerful applications that GetResponse offers. When you click on Tools, you'll see a variety of options, but today we're focusing on the Website Builder. With the Website Builder opened, find and select Create Website. This will prompt you with options for designing your site. Now, for simplicity, we're going to choose Use a Ready-Made Template. This is particularly useful if you're not quite sure where to start or what you want your website to look like. Ready-made templates offer a diverse range of designs and layouts tailored for different types of businesses and personal websites. But in this session, we're going to explore the blank templates for a bit of creative freedom. Click on Blank Templates and then proceed by clicking Use Template. This option allows you to customize your site from the ground up, shaping it exactly to your liking. Here's your chance to showcase your creativity and ensure your website reflects your unique style or brand. Now that you've selected a template, it's time to make it yours. Click on the template to start editing the details. This is where you add your content, images, and any unique branding elements that tell your story. Don't rush this part. Take the time to ensure everything aligns with your vision for the website. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Next, Connect Domain. Here you'll input your website name. This is the title that your visitors will see, so make it catchy and representative of your content. After that, you'll need to input your domain name. If you haven't purchased a domain name yet, GetResponse might offer you some options, but keep in mind that custom domains can often provide a more professional touch. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Click Publish, and just like that, you've created your own website. It's now live, and visitors from around the globe can access your content. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the digital landscape. And there you have it, a free, fully functional website built using GetResponse's simple and user-friendly tools. Whether you're starting a blog, launching a small business, or showcasing your portfolio, your new site can be a powerful tool in your online strategy.